Hey, in this video, I'll actually show you how to fix Google Maps isn't working. And it's the same thing on any iPhone and kind of the same thing on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like. Or I ask, it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're in. Hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is actually go on your settings. You want to go down until you find Google Maps. It should be somewhere around here. G, under G, G, Google. Here it is. And you want to make sure that you have background app refresh and mobile data on. Chances are you're using Google Maps outside of your house. So if mobile data isn't on, you won't be able to use them. I've had this issue before, so this is the first thing you can do. The second thing is actually going over to the general tab on your iPhone, clicking on iPhone storage, and from there you want to navigate to Google Maps. Sometimes take a while, but you can just click on the search, type in Google Maps, here it is, and you want to offload the app and restart it again. This basically resets your settings and clears your cache. Another thing you can do is actually go on the App Store and making sure that you have the latest version of Google Maps, because chances are there's a new update that's pushed, and if you don't have it, they won't work for you. So you want to make sure you have no update option and you just have the open option, just like I do. If this video helped you out, give me a like. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out.